2001 में जब मैं आया था यहाँ पे, उस टाइम पे मुझे अंधेरे के सिवाय कुछ भी नहीं दिखाई पड़ रहा था। HDFC लाइफ के साथ जब मैंने अपने आप को एसोसिएट करा, तो आज मैं जब खड़ा होकर पीछे मुड़ के देखता हूँ तो देखता हूँ कि मेरे पास क्या नहीं है जो मैंने चाहा था ज़िंदगी के अंदर।
I was educated, professionally qualified, but a homemaker.
I worked for 20 years as a clerk with Indian Bank.
But I wanted to start my own business. So I tried a couple of restaurants.
It suffered a huge loss in my business.
So 12-13 years back, when one of our close relatives approached me to join as an FC with HDFC Life, I grabbed that opportunity because HDFC is always a trusted brand.
The first feeling which I got to have agency with HDFC Life is one, that is the first private insurance company to get the agency among the private players. That is one of the most admirable for me to take the agency for HDFC Life. Secondly, it has been backed by HDFC Limited. That is very, very important under the icon of Mr. Deepak Parekh.
Because of HDFC Life, we enter in the life of the brand. उसके पहले हम लोग फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग करते थे, अभी लाइफ का प्लानिंग हमने शुरू कर दिया।
HDFC Life has given a very good training known as Disha, which was very one of the best training I can say that I have taken.
A special reward was given to me after having completed 10 years of SPC in the presence of our CEO, and that was really a proudest moment of my life.
I've seen almost all countries across the world. That was a big thing because I was very passionate about traveling.
One of the proudest moment when I was in Hong Kong for my SPC meet, and there I have been awarded as a Hall of Fame. I was stated over there as a celebrity.
I remember I was felicitated at Zurich, and the place we stayed and the entire atmosphere and HDFC Life, all heads were there. In fact, one of those memorable moments that we went for a cruise dinner where we interacted personally with all the heads. Those are moments, and such a big trophy which was handed over to me in front of so many people.
HDFC Life helped me to grow in my business. For example, earlier I got 180 square feet office. Now after joining here, it helped me to grow to maybe 1200 square feet office.
I had some 4 to 5 colleagues with me. Today, over a period of 15 years, I have got a colleague of 20 people working under me actually.
Because initially I was earning a salary of 14,000 rupees, and today I am, by God's grace, I have been earning roughly around 50 lakhs rupees per annum.
When I started in the year 2000, we were just a 3 women organization. Today, after 16 years, we are a 10 women organization.
Person who was doing the service now become an entrepreneur.
Thanks to HDFC Life, today I've got a client base of 4,000 families from trees to pilots.
I have had only one single claim in last 15 years. The family was not disturbed even for a minute, and within 3 weeks, a claim worth several crore rupees was released by the company.
I was boarding a flight for Australia on behalf of HDFC Life only, and I got a call from my client's family that my client is expired. I wanted to cancel my journey because I need to be close to them. And accordingly, I conveyed to my senior that I may not be traveling because one of my client is expired and I need to go to see him, who is not in Mumbai. Then he said, sir, you give me the policy number and you don't worry. And we gave him the policy number. After about 8 days, I came back from Australia and I come to know that the claim was settled.
I have considered them my partners in progress, my partners in motivation, my partners in recognition.
I advise those who want to join as a FC to the HDFC due to the following reason. Number one, the good company to work. Secondly, they got large product range to choose the right proposal to your customer. Thirdly, they got the technology driven process which will help you do the business at your office. Fourthly, the good people to work. Any problems are there are people there to help you.
I strongly believe that all women should work. As far as insurance is concerned, this is a profession that she can take up at any point of time, at any age. Again, you can always have a flexi hours, so it is not important that you have to work from morning to evening or 9 to 5 job.
ये सब उन लोगों के लिए भी अपने फ़ायदेमंद है जो कि जिनको ने अभी अपना कैरियर शुरू करा है या जो अभी रिटायरमेंट के नज़दीक हैं या जो ऑलरेडी रिटायर हो चुके हैं, उनके लिए भी बहुत फ़ायदे की चीज़ है। रीज़न भी कि एक तो एक्स्ट्रा इनकम आएगी उनके पास अपार्ट फ्रॉम द पेंशन अगर उनको मिलती है तो, उसके अलावा वो अपने आप को बिजी भी रखने में अपने एक मददगार साबित हो सकता है।
Retiring concept is not there in my life, and I will expect younger generation too not to have this kind of concept.
This is the most noble profession that I am into, and I think that every person, along with whether they are into wealth as a wealth manager or something like that, at the same time they should also take up this as a profession.
Come, partner with HDFC Life.
Come, partner with HDFC Life.
Come partner with HDFC Life.
Achieve with pride.
सर उठा के जियो।